Have you ever want to be a successful person of yourself?
Didn't even get to cross.
Every human individuals dream to become a successful person of themselves. Our parents led their efforts, gave their efforts just for us to have a great future in our future life. So we must repay them by becoming a successful person in the next generation. We are already the next generation. I'll tell you why. Our parents are the first generations. They are at the last age, at the 20th century. We now people are at the 21st century. So our parents expects us to do what is done for the rights. On being a successful person, you must have patience. You must know the things around you. You shouldn't be easily fooled. Because if you are easily fooled, people might trick you and make you step down onto your journey. It's like you're stepping back again and you're getting farther and farther from your journey on becoming a successful person. So if you want to ever become a successful person of yourself, have faith. Always think of the positive things. Never think that, okay, this is it. Like, I'm never ever going to be like that. I'm never ever going to be rich. I'm never ever going to be famous. I'm never ever going to buy my dream car and stuff. I know those are materialistic things. They're not forever in this world. Like, if our cars are broken, like, there's a Lamborghini that you have bought. Then it went into a car accident. So what happens to that Lamborghini is that Lamborghini is going to be replaced, right? While having lifetime achievements on being a successful person is never replaceable because those lifetime achievements of yours are from your soul and eternity. They are spiritual. Like what I said in my recent videos about weakness and about change. The first step is changing yourself. If you want to be successful, you should always look out for your negative traits. Try to change it. Try to become a positive person of yourself. Because always being positive helps you earn your achievements more. The next step is your weakness. Always try to be your strongest self. If you ever try to be weak, what happens is you can easily get down. You don't have patience at all. Like everything you see is a fear for you. So now this is the third step, which is being successful. If you want to be successful on your life, on your career, all you should do, all you should think is the other people who motivates you. Think them as a role model. Think of them how they achieve these kinds of things which you also want for you to achieve it. They all started from the down. They went up, they did their efforts, they faced their fears, all of their efforts, their challenges, they were sweating every single day. They worked hard for this. They went to school, they got their education, they got their degree, and what's the next step is now they found their dream job which could help them at their future, which makes them a successful person right now. Those are the people who you should idolize. Because I idolize these people such as Stephen Curry, an NBA basketball player who started from the bottom. Now he's known as the best shooter in the league. Also Bob Marley, who doesn't take money as a possession, but his life being a possession. So these guys are the one who I idolize. They're the kind of people who could make me successful. Because every people in this world has their chance to be successful. It doesn't mean that you're poor, you're known for nothing. It doesn't mean that you couldn't be successful and be known with this world. How about all of the famous people right now? Let me get this straight. Without their parents, without their family, without their grandparents, without support and effort, they wouldn't be there. Like, every human is equal. Imagine that you have done what they have also did. So the results is, will you be successful? The answer is, it depends. Because it doesn't mean that if you did all of your efforts, you could be successful. Sometimes there's what you call fortune and hope. Those are the things which would tell you when you're going to get that successful life. Because it takes patience. Sometimes it might also hurt you and affect your life and even your family. So, I've always tried to motivate people. This is what I do for my life right now. Because if I only motivate myself to be successful, wouldn't it be selfish? So if I motivate the others, like you guys, wouldn't you also be trying to be successful in your life? Not just because I'm a teenager doesn't mean I couldn't motivate others. Because every people, no matter what is your age, no matter how famous, or no matter how rich or poor you are, you have a gold possessions in your heart, it means that you can motivate the others. Because there are some people, like the older people or the elders, who takes their motivation from their children or from the younger youths. So guys, I hope you try to always be at yourself, try to be a successful person, try to think that this could help you and your future family. It's not just because that you have quit once that you should also quit twice. Never give up. Like what Shia LaBeouf said, not to take this as a joke, but just do it. It's a motivation. It's not a joke. Because if you do it, it means that you're going to continue on what you have started. So guys, this is a message from me. This is a motivation from me. Never give up. Always try to be successful. While you're living, never stop dreaming, and also accomplish your goals and missions. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to click the subscribe button. Don't forget to like and comment down below your thoughts about this motivational video. Remember, this motivational video is for you. It isn't only for me, but I dedicate this video to everyone in this world. Good luck guys, and remember, be successful.